To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the round Meta AI icon to access the Meta AI chat. Next, tap Meta AI at the top to open its profile. Here, you will see the new Imagine Yourself update. If it doesn't appear, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. For first-time users, Meta AI will prompt you to take a few selfies. Tap Take Your Setup Photos to continue. Now, tap Get Started to continue. Tap Allow to let Meta analyze your photos and generate images of you. Meta AI will now prompt you to take a few selfies, one from the left, one from the right, and one facing forward. Tap Take Photo to capture your selfie. This allows Meta AI to understand your face and generate accurate images. Tap OK once the setup is complete. You can retake or delete your setup photos anytime from here. Now, navigate to the chat window. Now, type your prompt starting with, "Imagine me." Then hit send. And wait a few seconds. Meta AI will generate your image based on the prompt. Now, download your image. This feature lets you generate realistic, personalized images of yourself, which can be fun and creative. So that's how you can use the Imagine Yourself feature on Meta AI in WhatsApp.